fast vanishing of Manipuri pony. Regional political parties now becoming more powerful. AITC to support NEIDP candidate in Lok Sabha polls. And Manipur cops still on hunt for escaped KCP leader Nando. Hello and good evening. You're watching Times of Manipur. This is SILKY with the news in detail. Lack of long-term policy has led to fast vanishing of Manipuri pony. The animal is indeed in peril, but the Manipur government has been claiming that it has been trying to save it with conservative efforts. Here is an exclusive report on this.
Lack of long-term policy has led to fast vanishing of Manipuri pony. The animal is indeed in peril, but the Manipur government has been claiming that it has been trying to save it with conservative efforts. After a head count conducted in 2014, it was reported that there were less than 600 ponies in the state. The population has dwindled considerably. The Manipur government recently formulated the Manipur Pony Conservation and Development Policy and later acquired 23 acres at Marjing in Imphal East for a sanctuary for stray ponies. There is a 30-year-old pony farm located at Thingkai Kuno Hill in Kangpokpi district. The location is about 25 kilometers south of capital Imphal, but the farm has been left alone sans anyone to look after it for years. The present condition of the pony farm is seriously in bad shape. In 1987, the then Manipur government set up the farm for conservation of ponies. About 8 years back, nearly 15 ponies were seen there, but due to lack of proper maintenance, the number of ponies was decreased. Unless the government takes appropriate steps, the fate of pony is unpredictable.
T.H. Muhindro, who fought the last Manipur Assembly polls on BJP ticket, has joined Northeast India Development Party and EIDP, a regional political party. He was felicitated during a simple function at NEIDP State Unit Office located at Tera in Imphal. Several leaders of NEIDP were present on the occasion. Speaking during the event, Muhindro stated that people in many parts of the country have now given more attention to regionalism and that regional parties are now more powerful. For the Northeast too, regional political parties have joined together and formed a common platform which encouraged him to quit BJP and switch side to NEIDP, he said.
Economic warfare the hide economic warfare jida junction lako khongtha amoni junction lakpa amugum na oba ai praja jingi damakta idi logi simi gi damakta akoi na pakhil ba scheme mayam ju pakhil lakpa gi kaino ja ai asidi tok da phangjaba aduna asigumba karigum tam kaino su leitaba badram su leitriba asigumba party se ai gi iramdom isagi leiri jo ai regional oiba kaino jida chema ji darkar oina haibi wakhalon jida khanjadana asigumba Hana aina National Party BJP haiba party si lejermado ai ngasi degi ai toksere aduna asigumba regional party native haiba si ngasi degi ai yaujaduna lebak miyang seba to apung phana ai toksere.
Manipur State NEIDP President Anji Bijoy said that more leaders from BJP who once trusted Modi's alleged double dealing have come to join NEIDP and the movement by regional parties. Bijoy said that such moves indicate NEIDP can take bigger responsibility in Manipur.
Unamak asi aikoina afaba mongda asato jai chatpiraga konna lakadoriba sahi kaya asida aikoi next election dasu 2022 da koi myam jointly thengnamina dana aikoi gi party asina sarkar amutang pairakani haibagi asadu da ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯤ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯒ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯄꯨ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤ.
In the meantime, the Trinamool Congress Manipur Pradesh has announced to support NEIDP candidates contesting from Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency and Inner Manipur Parliamentary Constituency. Manipur's 2 parliamentary seats will go to polls on April 11 and 18. This was disclosed during a press meet at NEIDP office. Several leaders of the 2 political parties were present during the press meet. Advisor of NEIDP Election Committee, Dr. I. Ibohanbi, a former MLA, said that the 2 parties have signed an agreement to handle issues facing the Northeast together.
All India Trinamool Congress Manipur Pradesh ka Northeast India Development Party ga punna campaign tauminaba to venture a joint campaign haidana agreement ama kak ngasi sign taunare ngasi haibu numisidagi All India Trinamool Congress Manipur Pradesh amasung NEIDP na punna campaign tauminargani asigumba khudong chaba si pibi bagi damakta All India Trinamool Congress Manipur Pradesh bu Northeast India Development Party ki maikai dagi thagat pa phongdok chari.
Cops are still on the hunt for Thokchom Nando, the commander of the banned Kangleipa Communist Party KCP faction, who is still on the run from cops. Here's a report.
Thokchom Nando, the commander of the banned Kangleipa Communist Party KCP faction, who is still on the run from cops. Nando had on March 26 made a daring escape from Otho ward of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Janims, Imphal. The notorious KCP leader is one of the main accused of the infamous rape and murder of Lungnila Elizabeth. Manipur police has already announced a reward of ₹1 lakh to anyone who can provide information leading to his arrest. A strong team of Manipur police today conducted massive cordon search operation at Sanjenlok, Yenthopokpi, Sinamkom, Isingthembi and Kairangthen under Sagolmang police station of Imphal East. Over 100 houses were searched by a combined special team of commando led by Additional Superintendent of Police Operations T.H. Krishnatombi. The operation, which was carried out under the supervision of Imphal East Superintendent of Police Jogesh Chandra Haubijam, began from 6:30 am and continued till 9:30 am. Around 180 persons were verified through proper documents during the operation. One single barrel gun was seized during the operation as its validity was already expired, police said. However, no arrests were made. Meanwhile, a special team of Imphal East Commando under the supervision of Additional Superintendent of Police T.H. Krishnatombi, led by Deputy SP Imphal East Commando Tangkochon Haukip, launched a massive search operation in Isingthembi area under the jurisdiction of Sagolmang Police Station. The team searched 5 villages along with farmhouses and brickfields. The team also interacted with village chiefs, elders and other locals of the area. However, no one was detained or picked up during the operation.
Now let's have a short commercial break.
Advanced booking for events, conferences and party, 50+ covers. Aris Tower since 2002. Kindly contact us at 9612719966. Address Uripokhuidrom Lekha, UK Road, opposite petrol pump.
lamjingba jewelry na adom gidama khwaidagi asengba sana khwaidagi ahongba sana asamalda fanghanjari aikhoigi service singdi inat ki oiba design sing ready made ta fanghanjari singnaningai oidraba asengba sana khaktamak pizari manung matam sana order delivery sing pizari sana asamal khwaidagi nemna logzari Nomaizing numitsu adom gi service ta leizari. Ngasimak lengsin birau Lamjingba Jewellery Private Limited, DM College Road, opposite Memsi Mall, Thangmaiban, Imphal West. Email lamjingbaJewellery@gmail.com. Website www.lamjingbagoldbank.com. Contact us at 764-29-34425 and 940-299-2391. Lamjingba Jewellery. Good quality is our priority. Located in the heart of Imphal City, Asian restaurant Hotel Yaifaba can even more brighten up your beautiful days. With best sizzler platters in the city, we have separate kitchens for veg and non-veg. Also offers you with chef specials on weekends. Enjoy your happy hours with our best services. Asian restaurant Hotel Yaifaba, MG Avenue, Imphal. For home delivery, kindly contact 9856003956 or 9856003957.
Well, this is true. No matter where we're at and how busy we were, we may not get the time to spend the whole day together, but a time always brings us together when we are dining, especially when gathered around such divinely crafted amenities.
Welcome back. State Health Society and National Vector-Borne Diseases Control Program, Manipur, jointly organized a one-day advocacy meeting of the media persons at the mini conference hall of IMA Lamfelpat today. Representatives of various local media houses attended the program. Speaking at the occasion, State Program Officer of National Vector-Borne Diseases Control Program, Manipur, Dr. Thangpa Sarto, said the public have a vital role in eradicating the deadly malaria disease, even though the government has taken up steps to prevent the disease in the state. He also urged the media fraternity to sanitize the public on various ways that help in eradicating the disease. He further urged the public to avail the free malaria testing and treatment facilities, saying everyone should work together towards eradication of the disease completely by 2021 in Manipur.
Department malaria eliminate we need the cooperation of the society, the community. Aduna press, print, electronic media, noigi message ti everyone the noin yaubanina. Message through your sida message further relate auraga praja mayam na tabiraga mayam malaria elimination gi thabak se tauminagni haibagi ngasi taujaban.
Potsangbam Premila, Corporator of Ward Number 12, Imphal Municipal Corporation, has held Thaunauzam Mahesh for his generous move to light more street lamps at Kwakatel Thokchom Leikai, which has illuminated the area and ensure easy movement by people.
Kwakatel Thokchom Leikai sida akoigi inau Thaunauzam Mahesh na akoigi mai se yamna mamme haiduna karigumba Kara mateng pangjage haiduna habirak padagi akoigi lekai sida ngarang dagi sathajaraga mai thambi bagidama akoigi Thaunauzam Mahesh pu hanna thagasari.
After completion of prison term in Assam's Golpara jail, a Rohingya Muslim from Myanmar was handed over to Myanmar authorities. Amir Hakim was arrested by Assam police for illegally entering the state under Foreigners Act. An Assam police team led by Inspector Mrinal Kumar Das brought Hakim to Moreh in the morning. He was later handed over to the Myanmar authorities at Myanmar Immigration Office located at Indo-Myanmar Friendship Gate, Moreh Gate No. 1 after thoroughly checking his documents. Amir Hakim hails from Manunara village under Boseton State, Myanmar. Officer in charge of Moreh Police, Letkohau Wi-Fi, assisted the Assam police officials in the process. The Foundation Day cum lamp lighting ceremony of Saina Institute of Medical Sciences, Chinikon, Senapati District was held at the campus of the institute today. The function was attended by Chairman of State Health Society, National Health Mission, Dr. S. Manikanta, Chairman of Saina Groups of Institute, Yumnamcha Dilip Kumar, Khoirom Loya Lakpa, Advisor of Saina Groups of Institute, and the Registrar of Manipur Nursing Council, K.H. Ratna, as the Chief Guest, President and Guest of Honor, respectively. As a part of the event, the Managing Director, Secretary, and also the founder of the Institute, Dr. S. Kumar, said that Saina Groups of Institute was set up and opened in the year 2013 as an institute for paramedical studies, and later in the year 2018, after being approved by the Manipur Directorate of Health Department, the institute was turned into a nursing institute under National Nursing Council. He further stated that every year, the institute provides free training to 5 selected nursing trainees who are from financially backward families. On the other hand, the brand ambassador of the institute and popular Manipuri film actress Biju Ningombam talked about the institute.
Nursing JNM course paramedical ultrasound MRI gumba CT scan gumba OT gumba sumba singje hangbe sida main oina tawibasi khoi kana lejadraba lairaba sing oitargade khoina free of course ta ma mi manga khalle khoina haidi kana mama le ka mapa leitaba mapa le ka mama leitaba singe khoina free of course ta hek hobdagina sei ahum bokse khoina free course ta tamba yabagi khoi khutong jaba pi ado hujik so khoina mi manga handaki selection tor kana khoina free of course ta tamali kana lejadraba singja
Institute asida lairiba satra any satra ama medical students kaibo or the students khuding makta aina haizari adudi iramda masida kan hotna bidana afaba irai pak asigi institute afaba ama oihannaba satra singsina students singsina kan hotna view aina aigi site tagi students sing the haizari aduga so mine institute ama linkhat pase aigi motadi yam phai haina phai haiba ga wakhalon ama thamjaninge haibadi lairiba inkhala iriba naha singsida aidi hotna janingbagi ithil ama fawhan bado institute asida da isam samna da S Kumar ge institute se sumai linkhat pase yamna phai yamna nuai jai aduga aidi institute asida changbi ningba satra lairaga su any students kuding welcome tawzari miyam bomna mak changbirau haiba west pizari miyam
Rama Foundation, located at Nagamapal Rims Road, will be organizing a one-day free training program on mushroom cultivation, spawn making, vermicompost and food processing on April 2. The main aim of the program is to encourage people towards income generation and becoming self-employed. PRO of Rama Foundations, S. Nonganba, said in a press statement that the interested individuals, self-help groups, farmers clubs to register before April 1 at Foundation's office. Scheduled tribes, scheduled castes and differently able persons will be benefited by the program. Trainees can also avail marketing opportunities and financial assistance as well. President of Rashtriya Janhit Sangharsh Party, RJSP Manipur Unit, Senjam Nandeshwar, who is contesting the ensuing 17 Lok Sabha elections from Inner Manipur Parliamentary seat today, told Tom TV News that he will fight the polls on the plank of burning issues like Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016, shrinking territory of Manipur, unemployment and women issues, among others. He also criticized the previous MPs from the state over the backwardness of Manipur.
Same Sabia, same Matrusang. I do we don't know plan to wear it. I do Karma plan to we must see Ziggler governments in a politician to the one. I do a quaitong but Ama Aquena Atay Mayam Sisal Uzeraponina. But see Tony, I do I Tony I say I know Kangel Bakaya later so I know Gomengi representative Adi Manipur Gomengi with the Benina. I know comment on the NBC and the Dili and Ganoni. Comment on the foreigner Selagan Ganoni. Gomengi authority with the Bayadabanina. I know see MP when Mayam Zinusibin, Kabira Badi, Sigumagi, Ebini, Mayama Tabak, Mayam, Tawayaba, employment. A question Mayam see employed or Matunda, there will be a lot of vacancies. We have to invite other states, even other countries.
Once again, let's have a short commercial break.
Hello, good morning, sir. Welcome to Lamjingba Motors. How may I help you? lamjingba motorna miyamda kanaba piribasingse kari karino
khudongchaba kaya ma pizari aikoina phanganjariba products singdi trucks tippers haulage bus amasung genset ne documents ichang changdana adomi sale amadi matam manghandana loan gi khudongchaba pizari HDFC Bank, Lamjingba Finance, Amadi, Shriram Finance kasu khutsamnana jangsin minari. Matik charba khutsu khulai amadi crane yauraba. Aikhoigi sport servicing van adongi damakta matham pumbada leijari. Bus sing yonbada natana school, college, universities, office ki dama contract basis ta lobi bagi khudong chabasu thamjari. Amadi genuine lay parts singsu phangbigani. Adongi mai pakpana aikhoigi mai pakpana.
lamjingba nidhi limited ki members singda akaknaba matam kharakak ki oina khudongchaba sing pizari khudongchaba sing adudi saving account hangbada chada lupa taruk ki interest pizagani fixed deposit amadi recurring deposit ki oina chada lupa taragani thoi makhai interest pizagani daily deposit ki oina su chada lupa taragani thoi makhai interest pizagani karigumba members singna business loan personal loan natraga mortgage loan lobiragadi sada lupa taragani pandagi lupa kungi apik pasendoi haibadi reducing rate ta loan lobi bayagani akaknaba matam khara khaki oiba khudong chaba singa si lobiranaba members singda ningsingjari masiga loina na kanagumba member oidriba singna member oibinaba aikhoigi office ta lengsin birau amadi akupa marol sing tanabiu aikhoigi address lamjingba nidhi limited near Nityananda Mandir Nagamapal Rims Road Imphal West mobile 9366857001 email lamjingbanidhi@gmail.com website www.lamjingbanidhilimited.com
Saihofamdagi saidin nafamda haina minthonba thauram asida nat sankitangi wajasina paisai kya khudol tamduna miyangi pelhan gado natta star foundation gi ko aja KS kunjeso M Sauba M Gobin amadi artist kaya gi akhanaba performance check loinana saknairba ojasim L Lakpati N Shamsan KS Kriti S Thanil TS Ibhol KSS Thaurani Savi Amadi B Amusna Saramabu Lifetime Achievement Award Piduna Ikai Khumnagan Kawiragano March 31 Manipur State Film Development Society ki auditorium Nungthil Pung Ama Adom Soidana Suru Yabalakti
Nupa khaktabu sagai lepkani haiduna chakthukchani hinglibasingse mama amana bokpani mama do nupi ne habase kormal
nipa poksunati ipa numanga tawdana ari amada senting na bathabang adugi mohotane laida kabu kudumama katlaga lushilga lo
aibu nangi angang longnaba thamba miro senaba ngamdragana nupi ni kai dodoino khongbandra kaino hundok chu kaino nangna na cha nupa am yawusinate do nangi nupi ama thirage dana leppe
piba amadi poktaba yadarani taunariba mayam chi khangedana
yengo nang ngasimak yumji thado sakadamni bojoba ngasine mai ka du solan chalo mase mahi laina longnar kani
macha masugi ningba thunga loidoi oiradi kedo bokpiramino hatok
lemba
yadro
sagi sarang manungda imana kaya wan nang puduna chelaki imagi bema na matik saba mi mati oidaba yadaba
nang tamo khaktani
nusidiye
phai nang ngasidigi ai amona uni di khallu
kadai chatoiba
Pakistan salaga sosai bomber oiga sirage kaino idi nang pelo duda
nang honarida hanbalai tana dum honagadabane kidoroge
nangi husiki wahaido karino khangdana thamoida pale ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯔꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯪꯆꯠ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯤ ꯕꯣꯝꯕꯦꯂꯥ ꯆꯟꯅ ꯃꯦꯔꯤ ꯀꯣꯝ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯅꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯃꯨꯡꯗꯒ ꯄꯣꯛꯂꯝꯂꯗꯤ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯍꯥꯠꯄꯤꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ Welcome back. Members of a flying squad involved in election surveillance and officials of the Income Tax Department are conducting raids at 3 places across Invala, including the residence of senior leader and DMK treasurer Durai Murugan. Murugan's son Kathir Anand is contesting the Lok Sabha election from Valor constituency. Acting on a tip-top, the district election officer requested the IT team's assistance in the raid. A nodal officer and 2 staff members accompanied the raiding team yesterday, but Murugan's legal team tried to stop them, claiming the IT department officials did not have relevant papers on jurisdiction to conduct the searches. At least 5 teams of the IT department have been conducting searches at the 3 places, including Murugan's residence, a college and farmhouse, and around Valor at Katpadi. Now let's have a look to some of the newspaper headlines published in some local dailies.
The Shanghai Express. After quitting BJP, Kim Gang-tae followers join NPP. Sangma hawks NPP as party that can unite Northeast. Flag hoisting ceremony of NEIDP candidate held. Ashanke bats for regional party. Flag hoisting ceremony of Benjamin Mate held. Let Congress produce a white paper on MP fund, says Biren. High Court directs Assam Rifles to pay ₹5 lakh compensation. The People's Chronicle. Northeast MPs must unite on common issues, says Konad. Election Commission says Prime Minister Modi's Mission Shakti address didn't violate MCC. BJP candidate triggering communal tension, says Congress. Chief Minister calls Congress parasite, alleges MP fund misuse. Imphal Free Press. Time to send clear message to New Delhi that Northeast cannot be taken for granted, says Sangma. BJP plays communal politics, says Congress. Muta demands public apology from BJP candidate R.K. Ranjan. Future of India will enable students to fight corruption, NSUI. NEIDP holds flag hoisting ceremony, releases manifesto. The Morning Bell. Chief Minister hits back at Congress, says public will decide which party is colonial. MPP grills returning officers' decision announcing Jugindro as party candidate. Inclusion of PWD issue in election manifesto demanded. Demise of Muhammad Halim condoled. NPP launches Lok Sabha election campaign in Churachandpur. Kim Gang-tae joins party. Manipur Mail. Congress and BJP locked in war of words in poll campaign. Protests over arrest of Kishore Chand held. Mizoram organizations asked to allow peaceful election at Kanmun. Muta condemns BJP candidate's statement.
Before we wind up the news bulletin, the top stories once again. Lack of proper policy leads to fast vanishing of Manipuri pony. Regional political parties now becoming more powerful. AITC to support NEIDP candidate in Lok Sabha polls. And Manipur cops still on hunt for escaped KCP leader Nando. That's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur for more update. Thank you.